Did you just get your brand new S25 Ultra and you're worried you're going to scratch the screen? I'm going to show you a product that's going to help protect your smartphone screen so you don't ever have to worry about it getting scratched. So let's get to it. I want to give a huge shout out to SmartDevil for sending me these screen protectors. Let's get this unboxed and we'll see what's inside, and then we'll get it installed and check it out. They give you the quick start guide, which shows you exactly how you're going to install it. Now, this is really nice here. They talk about the fingerprint recognition. Now, this is one reason that I have not usually been a big screen protector user, because I have found in the past that the thumbprint readers and things like that just weren't as sensitive as they should have been and created problems with me unlocking my phone. However, on my S23 Ultra, which is what I got rid of and replaced it with the S25 Ultra, I ended up scratching the screen in like 3 places. One was actually a pretty significant little like gouge, so to speak. After that happened, I thought, okay, the next phone I get, I'm going to use a screen protector and I'm going to try it out. I think screen thumbprint readers have come a long way over the years, and so I'm hoping it's not going to be as big of an issue. But what's really nice is they give you this little card. It kind of talks about it on the back here to go over like some of the ways you can help improve the recognition of the thumbprint. So I really like that. That's a nice thought. So you have your installation kit, which basically consists of like a cleaning cloth and then a wipe. And then this is the actual installation device itself. You don't actually take anything out of here. It's already on the packaging. So, I mean, again, how much simpler can you get? You open it, put your phone in after it's clean, and install it. I mean, that's pretty slick. And I almost forgot, they give you 2 extras. So that way, if you make a mistake or if your first one you put on does get scratched or damaged, you got 2 more. So you'll want to make sure and keep this, because you're going to need this to get this in there and actually do the installation. So don't throw that package away. That's important. So let's get this cleaning kit opened up here so I can clean the screen, because they do give you the cloth. They give you 3 wipe pads to clean your screen with. So let's get a cleaning wipe here. Open this up, set that aside so we can clean the screen. And you know, I'm pretty particular about my screen anyways. It's usually pretty clean, but I hate fingerprints. It's absolutely horrible. Now, you want to make sure that when you get done cleaning, don't touch the screen with your finger, because you don't want to leave a fingerprint under the screen protector, because you're going to be able to see that. Just like brand new. Look how shiny that is. Pay attention to the arrow, because it says top, and that's going to be the top of your phone. You're going to place your phone in here, then you're going to pull this out the bottom, and it's going to apply the screen protector. Again, don't touch your screen. One last look. I see nothing on it, so I'm going to place my phone in here like so. Phone goes in the case. Make sure it's pushed down tight and pull the tab. Voila. Man, it's so easy. It's just crazy how simple it is. Wow, I'm impressed. You almost can't even tell it's there. Like, that's amazing. This is like absolute perfect fit. Let me get my cloth. Let's just go ahead and wipe it down. Wow. I have to say, I am honestly impressed how simple that was, number 1. Number 2, and I know it might be kind of hard to see, but how perfect of a fit that is. I mean, it doesn't even look like there's anything on the screen. That's just crazy. That's awesome. And I put my case back on. Okay, you can't feel anything. Like, you don't even know it's there. That's unbelievable. It truly is unbelievable. Now the test. We're going to do a thumbprint unlock and see if that works. So we turn the phone on. Again, don't forget to put your 2 extra protectors in the case. I would just set them inside. That way you have them and you know where they are. And there you go. That's awesome. That's very well thought out, I have to say, because this makes it so much easier to keep track of this. Number 1. Awesome. SmartDevil, great idea on the smart pull box for my smartphone to control my smart home. Lots of smarts going around. So you can see there's the fingerprint, and let's see if I can do this where you can see how fast and how it works. So it does say you might have to re-register the fingerprint after you put the screen protector on, because obviously it has to know that the screen protector is there. Okay, so I'm going to add a new fingerprint. Fingerprint added successfully. Okay, so it's locked. It's really hard to do this from the side. There you go. It's really hard to do this backwards, upside down. Let's try it again. That was pretty fast. I don't know, that's pretty good. Maybe I just wasn't hitting it in the right spot. And that's pretty fast. Yeah, that's pretty good. Let's see. See? Pretty good. Let's try it again. It's pretty fast. I tried to do it without registering a new fingerprint, but I needed to because obviously the glass screen protector kind of changes the way the sensor reads. But as soon as I registered the other thumbprint, boom, as you saw, it unlocks it really fast. So you definitely just want to go ahead and when you're done putting the screen protector on, register a new thumbprint, fingerprint, whatever finger you're using, and you're good to go. SmartDevil, excellent product. I would highly recommend this to anybody. Easy installation. Fingerprint reader works perfectly after I registered the new thumbprint, which it does say in the documentation that you'll probably have to do that. I also want to show you the amazing water repellent characteristics that this screen protector has. I mean, it's really awesome. So you don't have to worry about if you're using it in the rain, whether you're getting water on the screen or not. It's just going to roll right off and it's just gone. That's awesome. In addition to that, take a look at how well it is against protecting against scratches. I have this knife and I'm like scratching on this screen, tapping on it, scratching on it, nothing, no scratch. That's pretty amazing. You don't have to worry about putting this in your purse, putting this in your pocket, dropping on the ground, getting it scratched, because this screen protector is going to protect you. So again, I want to give a huge shout out to SmartDevil for sending me these screen protectors. I think they are going to be excellent in helping protect my devices. So links in the description. Go check it out. Go buy you 1, 2, or 3, however many phones you have. We'll see you next time.